video right now?
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Oh. Well, welcome to Eden.
This is called Eden, right?
This is called Eden, yeah. It's beautiful. It's all booked up right now, so we can't get in for dinner. But we can come here for lunch. So that's something that's good to know, is that you can come here for lunch if you missed your booking and you can't get in for dinner.
Right. But there's probably only 1 or 2 days of lunch, so you gotta be aware that they have that. 'Cause normally it's just dinner.
Yeah, and it's absolutely breathtaking.
It is amazing, really.
And you have this walkway that you can come in here and you can sit and have a drink, maybe an appetizer, and just enjoy the view. It's beautiful.
And obviously we're still in port, so we're just looking around.
We're still.
Hello. How do you get your reservation here?
You have to be on upper class, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So you can call 3333.
Okay.
And then you book
Do it that way. Thank you.
Hello, it's not open for lunch?
No, not yet, sir.
Okay, thanks. Will it be open for lunch? Oh, should I do cafe? Okay, okay.
I love blue. This is such a beautiful restaurant. It's so incredibly elegant. My favorite color is blue. My husband's favorite color is blue. And this is like just amazing. I love it. It's so pretty.
1 o'clock.
Okay, it's 1 o'clock and we just found a room and we are in 192 and
It's 6192.
oh, sorry.
Which is
It's
different than our
6192.
original.
Oh, it is different. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
because our original
Okay.
one is this, so they must have changed our
Okay,
room.
and then here's our key. So that they bought for us. And
Alright, that's our keys.
Here it is.
Here's
Oh, yeah.
Give me mine.
oh, there is yours.
No, that's yours.
Is that mine? Oh, okay.
Yours.
It's hard to see out here.
Here we go.
Oh, okay.
You
cool.
can go ahead in, honey.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, let's check
Okay,
this
go
out.
in.
We're gonna check the files. I can't wait. This is the new ship. We have.
So
not
this
been-
is the aqua category.
We haven't been on this ship yet.
No, we haven't
So
got
it's
it.
pretty cool so far. All right. Oh my gosh.
What
oh
is
my
this? This is
gosh.
different.
Oh my gosh. I thought we were just having a window. What happened?
No, we had more than a window. We had
Well,
an
I know
infinity,
we ha- I know.
infinity veranda, but this is
This
a
is
different
different.
room.
Oh my gosh. This is so
What is
different.
this?
Oh my god. Honey, it's a full balcony.
You know what? They upgraded us to.
Oh my
we're in the
gosh.
retreat, so they upgraded us.
Oh my god.
This is an upgraded aqua class to the aqua class.
Oh my gosh, you're right, because our key says the retreat.
Yeah,
on
this
there.
is the retreat. So guys, they upgraded us to the retreat.
Wow.
This is amazing.
Oh my
Let's see what the bathroom is. What the difference is on the bathroom.
so beautiful.
Oh yeah, this is definitely not the same aqua class. So this is definitely the retreat,
Oh my gosh.
because the retreat's got the tub and the shower. So this is upgraded aqua class. So you got your tub and the full rain shower on this. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
It's beautiful.
This is crazy.
It's so beautiful.
This is like $7,000 to have this upgrade for the total time
Oh my
period.
goodness.
You got some champagne, I guess. You got a little private bar, which I think they all have the private bar. But yeah, look at room service retreat. Yeah, this is upgraded. This is amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, that is so cool. So we got a head butler even, and we got the retreat concierge, and tap the retreat host.
So what's this? These are our tickets
Wow.
too. Is this for shore excursion?
This is crazy, man. Wow. You have the full king bed, unsplit. Oh yeah. Man, that's gonna feel so good.
So we have the ultimate beach experience.
Yeah,
at
yeah,
Harmony.
that's part of the normal thing. We ordered that, but what we didn't order was this. This is totally different. How do you get open here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is different, man. We're in the middle of the ship, so this totally makes sense. I think this is this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. This is crazy. Yeah, we have the full deck, the whole bit, man. Wow, that is awesome.
Hair. Oh, the sunset is beautiful. Looks like heaven shining down on the water. It's so gorgeous and relaxing. I love the smell of the sea and the air. Listening to the waves. It's so beautiful. We are on our way to Grand Cayman. Yeah. On our way to Grand Cayman. It's our first stop.
So we got lucky again, like we said,
So we got lucky again.
and we got this sky suite,
Oh yeah.
which
So
has this balcony, and it's pretty huge.
yeah. Yeah,
Awesome.
it's
I
really
love what you're
nice.
doing from there, but
Yeah. Yeah, so we got really lucky again and got this beautiful sky suite. And it is I don't think we've ever been in a sky suite this large. It's amazing. I could not believe it when I walked in to the room and saw it and saw the balcony and the chairs on the balcony and the access that we have to the fresh air and just sitting out here and feeling it on your face and in your hair and on your body. It just feels amazing. I just love it. It's been wonderful and exciting and everything that I thought it would ever be and more. So very hats off to my husband. He's amazing and he's so sweet and thoughtful and I just love him so much.
How was your spa day today?
Oh, my spa day was amazing. It was simply amazing.
What did it start off with?
It started off with just having a really good breakfast that was super healthy and just relaxing this morning and then going on to the spa and getting a massage that was just simply wonderful. It was an hour and a half. I don't think I've ever had an hour and a half massage, which is kind of sad because I'm actually a massage therapist as well. So it was so incredible. I just loved it so much. And then my husband and I, we went and went over to the thermal suites and check those out, and we're going to do some more video tomorrow on the thermal suites so everybody can see exactly how to use the thermal suites and just how to use them to relax. But they've got rain showers and thermal beds that are tiled, steams, and then steam rooms, and it's just simply amazing. I had allergies really bad before I got here, and had just been suffering from winter allergies from dust and all kinds of stuff from the winter, and I don't feel achy. I feel wonderful. I feel energetic. My skin, I feel like my skin looks great. I just absolutely, the sea salt air and the warmth and just the relaxation does incredible things for your body. And I am just loving every moment of it. Well,
This is my Clucking line?
Until later on, we will be talking a little bit more, and thanks for watching my Clucking life.